Alia Bhatt is our chill queen. She often embraces her casual girl looks. But then, she also leaves us awestruck with these ravishing looks. And thanks to the promotions of Rocky or Rani ki Prem Kahaani, we now know how gorgeous she looks in sarees. One thing that we can't help but notice are the wonderful blouse designs that are making these saree appearances even more special. For Spotify's music concert event, Alia chose a sheer black saree and paired it with a bustier blouse featuring a deep neckline, a cropped infinity-style hem, broad straps, and a plunging back detail. This kind of blouse is a must-have because it can be doubled as a crop top with high-waist trousers. So, if you really want to invest in a black blouse, we suggest you take some inspiration from this and thank us and Alia later. Then comes something a little sexier and something apt for the shadi functions. Alia's stunning blouse from Manish Malhotra's Bridal Couture 2023 fashion show, where the actress walked as the showstopper. First things first, she looked wonderful in this heavy lehenga embellished with intricate Swarovski and mirrorwork embroidery. Now let's look at the blouse. The matka neckline blouse featured intricate embroidery all over and pearl detailing on the sleeves. So, to all those who want to add oomph to your look, this blouse design is definitely for you. And then there's this ombre look which looks so soothing to the eyes. This Manish Malhotra number had a soft pastel shade of blue to pink at the hem to a vibrant hue near the pallu. Not only did the matching blouse look perfect, the unique double straps on the back earned brownie points for everyone. And how can Alia stay away from the Barbiecore trend when it's the hot favorite at the moment? She dolled up in a hot pink and neon green colored silk saree styled with a matching blouse with a plunging square neckline, a back cutout, a bustier silhouette and a cropped hem. Even the sexy blouse in this all blue look is quite unique. As we are fans of wearing sarees, we will shortly rush to our tailor/boutique auntie with these inspirations. What about you? Do let us know your favorite look in the comments and do subscribe to Shosha for more on celeb style.